Sometimes folded for packaging purposes, skirt steak is long and flat and prized for its flavor rather than tenderness. A marinade is perfect for this cut, and 4 to 8 hours is a perfect range for marinating. To make this cut easier to work with, I'm simply going to cut it in half and into fourths, really, if I'm going to make it as a stir fry or something as such, and I'm not just grilling it. You can see all the striations in the beef. This is the connective tissue. This is what generally makes it tough. However, cutting perpendicular against those striations will make this absolutely tender, as well as cooking over high heat very fast. Medium to medium rare is the best temperature for this cut. Smaller strips make for a more pleasurable eating experience. Look at all that marbling, absolutely flavor packed. Besides fajitas, etc., Mongolian beef is a great option for this cut. Going into a walk-over super high heat, in with a bit of Mongolian sauce, some fresh cut scallions, and enjoy. Visit fnsharp.com for more.